What's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ayan, and in this episode I'll be teaching you how you really join lines in Autocad. Once you have broken pieces and parts of lines in Autocad, you can really join them and they become one. Let's check out the differences and let's jump into it. Wow, here we are in Autocad, and in this episode 21 our main emphasis is about joining lines. Let's look at the properties of a line once you select on it. If I have a line 2 meters long, 2000, and I select on this line, you see it has 2 endpoints and 1 middle point. Now, what if I have 2 lines each 1 meter? And I select over 1 or 2 of them. You see that there are multiple endpoints and multiple nodes. So once I need to join that line, the first thing is you to select them, then you type join, the word join. You see that little, and once you click on it, it will tell you 2 lines joined into 1 line, meaning once I select on it, it really behaves like this one. That is one way. Let's look at another way. We need a line. $1,000. Enter, enter again, and 1,000. So select onto those lines and write PEDIT like that. Press enter and select multiple. It will tell you select objects, select them, press enter. It will tell you whatever story it is, say yes, and in these options below there is join. Even in these ones down there is join. So you select join, and that distance you can use 0, enter. Then you can exit. Once I click on this line, you see that it is now 1 part, but there is a difference in these 2 or 3 lines. 2, these have the same number of nodes, middle nodes and endpoints, while this one has the same center, 2 endpoints, but with some extra blue square, meaning this is another piece of geometry. And this piece of geometry, how can you identify it is to click on it, right click and check properties. Once I check its properties, it will tell you it is the same palette here. Click onto this arrow to make it stationary. Once you click on it, it will head polyline up here, meaning that this is a polyline and we can join the two lines to make polylines. Once I select on this one, simply tells you it is a line, meaning all ways can lead you wherever you need. In our future episodes, we shall be looking at polylines as well. And in this episode, we have learned that a line has properties which you can check by using this palette called a properties palette, and which things or which factors are in the palette, they are all listed below, and we shall make a video in the future about that palette and how you answer it and how you use it in different ways. Other words, for the hint, in the next episode we shall be looking at how you break a line and how does it really come alive that two lines or one line can be broken into parts. That is what we shall be looking at in the next episode. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.